palangga, good evening. Before tayo matulog gang, we will be removing our makeup. Yes. Oo, my skin is very dirty. Yes, it's very dirty. Kasi nagsadsad kami kanina gang. Nagsadsad kami kanina, so my skin is very dirty, so I need to clean my skin. Yes, I need to clean my skin. But first, because I am wearing makeup here in my eyes area, I will be removing first my makeup through with my makeup remover. And after removing my makeup, I will be using my Lumis pa kasi gusto kong malinis langga. Because I am embracing today the alikabok. Yung mga dust there, everything, yung mga sasakyan, na-embrace namin lahat yung sa skin. So, na-embrace ko yung mga alikabok. So, para matulog akong masaya yung skin, I will be removing first using our makeup remover from Nu Skin. This is from Nu Skin. So, mga palangga, if you are really nagko-concern kayo sa skin, please use good quality products. And sa mga mahilig mag-makeup, because I love women wearing makeup, this is for you. It's no harsh chemicals kasi you will be cleaning your eyes, so you need a good quality product. So ay mo pagtinihik. Mo lang masabi na ko ay mo pagtinihik. So this one, yes, I love women wearing makeup kasi nakaka-add kasi ng beauty yung makeup. Hello palangga, Celeste Labita. Ito mga gwapa ito. So thank you so much for joining. Yes, before using this, I am shaking. Oo. Gang, pagpagwapa mo diha gang, even if you are just staying at home, just make your look best. And yes, walang masama dyan. So you see this? Makeup remover. Wala ito gang. Very light yan siya. No alcohol at all. Of course, no alcohol. Ayan. You see? You see this? Our eyes is very sensitive. So, kailangan natin ng mga makeup remover, mga skincare na hindi yung masama sa no harsh chemicals. You see the difference? And if you are also doing a lot of makeup on your face, kasi I don't really wear makeup, only in the eyes. You need also to, if you are using our makeup remover from Nu Skin, masasabi ko sa yung, because some are only using this makeup remover, it's like you are cleansing your skin, so you don't need to wash your skin. Yes, you don't need to do that. But wait, this time ayokong basahin yung ayokong basahin yung aking mata because it's already very late and I haven't not so much sleep, so ayokong mabundog akong matagang. So what I do now, cleaning my face using other products. I'm using the cleansing lotion. Wait, I will just first remove my makeup, my eye makeup. Girls, you need this very badly. You need my products. Nu Skin, especially sa mga medyo, yung mga sensitive skin, tsaka you are aging, like me, I'm 45, nobody believes me, I'm 45 years old, kahit isigaw ko yan sa whole mountain, hindi sila maniwala sa akin. I am 45 years old and that's the reality because my skin is shining. So enough for that. So what I will be doing now, I don't wash my face. I just simply clean it with this. Wait. Take care of yourself because if you are aging, sa nasabi ko sa iyo, lalabas na yung mga warts there and it's getting many. Magsusulputan yan siya. So dapat meron kayong magandang skincare. So for that, I am using now, I don't want to wash my skin, but instead using LumiSpa this. I'm using this clean, creamy cleansing lotion together with this Do Away Micellar Beauty Water. Have you heard it? Day Away Micellar Beauty Water. Have you heard it? When you go to Rossmann or DM or any cosmetics store, you can see Micellar Beauty, and we have also in Nu Skin. So if I were you, this is new product that was launched last year. I'm very happy to have this. We have this in Nu Skin kasi it's very useful. Lalo na sa mga friendship, mommies that are working, especially yung wala na silang time yung pagod na pagod yung kanilang mga eyes. So dapat wag niyong basain yan sa sobrang kaartihan kasi natin, 'di ba? Mapapas mo yung ating mga mata, mga ugat dyan, mga nerves. So what we did, what Nu Skin make is this creamy cleansing lotion, and this I will be using this tonight. But first, the first thing I will do is I'll apply this to my skin, the creamy cleansing lotion. Ilo-lotion ko muna, instead basain, ilo-lotion ko siya. Ilo-lotion ko yung aking skin. Oo. Ilo-lotion. Ayan. Kasi ayokong mabasa ng akong mata. I don't like my skin damage or my eyes damage. Ayan. Very simple. You see this? Kasi matanda na ako gang, so I need to take care of myself. Yes. And for that, I'll be needing a good quality products. So easy. Even if you are like in the train, nasa train kayo, so what you can do, like, do this, simply do this, apply it in your, hindi ko talaga naubos yung aking, apply it to your skin, and yes, just lotion it, and something like that. Don't forget to wash your, clean yourself before climbing to bed. So you see this? Nag-absorb na yung lotion dyan. Nag-absorb na yan siya. Very, very important mga palangga. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. So, ayan na siya. After that, hindi ko pa pala natanggal lahat. Oh. See? Hindi ko pa talaga natanggal lahat. Kasi nag-eyeliner ako. So, after that, just, grab this one. This is Napka Moisture Mist. This is very useful anytime you go out, especially pag nasa exposed kayo sa sunny places, yung warm places. You must have this. You must have in your skincare. This is very important. It's not because it's only a water. It has a vitamins. Marami itong uses mga palanggaan. Magugulat kayo kahit ganito siya. It's very useful in all many ways. So do this after applying this lotion. Do this, and the area na kailangan yung i-clean. You see? Oh my gosh. You see how dirty my skin? Very dirty yan siya. Oh my gosh. Ew. Matutulog kayo niyan, tas hindi na kayo mag-clean sa skin. Papasok kayo yan sa loob ng you know what I mean? Papasok kayo yan siya. Hindi nyo na yan i-clean. You see? Dapat, anuhin nyo yan siya. You see? So, careful in pag may time sa mga skin. Everything. Ganun siya gang, you need to have a good quality skincare para maglukha kayong bata. Huwag kayong magtipid dyan. Kahit matanda na kayo dyan. Oh my gosh. Kahit matanda na kayo dyan mga palangga. Take care of yourself first. Especially sa skin. Oo. You see, oh my gosh. It's so dirty. Ayan. I don't like to. Ayan, you see? You see, yuck. And then after that, so after that, hindi pa tapos palangga. So, enough for this look. Oh my gosh. So, I get new, wait. I get new pads, cotton pads, cotton pads, I mean. So after that, saan yun? I will be grabbing this Micellar Beauty Water. I love this. Oh, this one. And after that, this is a very useful thing. Yes, very useful. And you see, it's 250 ml. You can consume this a longer period of time. So, just doing like, sa ato pa astringent, no, Eskinol, but this is, wow. Very strong yung mga Eskinol dyan. Di, ayoko nyan. Very harsh ingredients yan siya. So, you see this? I'm doing this. You see? Instead of using Lumispa, I not use Lumispa because I don't want to basain yung aking to get rid, to make my eyes wet. I don't like it. You see? You see this still dirty? Yung ganon, you see? Ayan. So, just like this. Ayan, nare-relieve na yung aking skin. I feel it's very clean now. I feel very clean now. You see? I feel very clean now. Kasi yan yung magka-create ng mga, yung mga melasma, discoloration sa skin, if you don't take care of your skin. And you will wonder, ba't nagsusulputan itong mga warts ko? Bakit? You know what I mean? This. Yeah, very important na it's not too late yet. You see, oh my gosh, it's very dirty. You see, yuck. And for that, I need a new pad for my neck. So, don't magdaginot lang ga. Wag niyong tipirin ang mga sarili nyo. You deserve nyo yan. Must have a good quality skincare. Bahalag magginamos mo diya palangga basta nindot inyong skincare. Kaloka talaga. Yes, that's true. You see this? Tapos hahalik-halik yung mga jowa nyo dyan sa inyong liig. Tapos, oh my God. Tapos ang dumi ng liig. Oh my gosh. Yuck. So, dapat yung mga partner nyo dyan, paliguin nyo yan, i-clean nyo muna yan bago nyo na tilap-tilapan dyan. Kaloka talaga. Oo. Kasi part na yan sa mukha yung ating leeg, di ba? So, dapat malinis dito. Hindi aslom-aslom. Kaloka. Oh my gosh. Ako lang arte ako kang kahit na bungal, basta malinis siya. I love it. Kaloka talaga. Oo, ganun sa akin. Dito kasi dapat, di ba? Dito yan. Halik-halikan dito. Dyan. Halik-halikan kayo dyan sa mga leeg-leeg, everything. So, dapat malinis kayo dyan. And of course, other parts of the body. So, very, very important. Maganda ang skincare. Huwag magtipid. Tipirin nyo ng lahat. Huwag lang yung skincare. Baliktad sa akin. So, you see, wala. I feel very refreshed now. So, hindi ko na kailangang basain ang aking mata. So, for that, it's finished. I'm done. And that's for tonight. But first, before ako matulog, of course, I will be applying a moisturizer, night cream moisturizer, a toner and a moisturizer. But let me wash my hands first. So, the first thing I have used is the makeup remover from Nu Skin. You just shake it. And after that, cleansing lotion. And what else? This Do Away Micellar Beauty. And after that, toner and moisturizer. Wait, I'll show you. I just wash my hands first. Kasi you see this? Oh my gosh. Cannot see that. Gang, di na siya, pag inarte gang, it's the proper way of taking care of yourself before your skin get damaged. Hindi yan siya kaartihan. Oo, hindi yan siya. Of course not. It's not kaartihan. No. So, yes, it's clean. I feel very, very clean now. So, of course, toner. Toner. Alkansi mo dia. Sige mo pa naginot niya. Yung mga looks. Bati kayo. So, alkansi good. Alkansi good kayo. Pagpagwapa mo mga palangga, it's a very nice if you have a good skin. Oh, you see this? So, I feel love na ako. My gosh. So, after that, I will be applying our night cream, Nutricentials. I'm so sleepy now and I want to. This one, our night cream. Very simple. Just simple like this. Sometimes I don't use filter. I really don't use filter. Really. Because I have a nice skin. Why? Because I'm using Nu Skin. So, just do this. Just do that simply like that. You see? I don't need to wash my skin, my eyes. You see? And you see this? Voila. You see this? You see? And again, tomorrow, ritual routine. So that's it. Thank you so much, mga palanggan. Good night. Have a good sleep. So thank you very much. And yes, if you want a good quality skincare, dito lang sa akin, Nu Skin. If you want also makeup, unique makeup, what else? Essential oils, because it's getting cold here in Europe, and essential oils is very useful, especially sa yung mga mahilig magluto, yes, baking, yes, outdoor, mahilig sa mga drinks. You can also mix it in your beverages. So thank you so much. Yes, mga palangga, don't forget, just use good quality products para hindi masayang yung pera, effort, and yung mga time nyo dyan. Oo, mas maganda kasi pag good quality. Iba talaga siya palangga. Really honest, iba. So thank you so much, and yes, mga palangga, discover the best you in Nu Skin. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye.